My question is, why is this senseless killing still existing in our society? Why is this senseless killing continue to ravage the people of Cameroon? Why is this senseless killing continue to ravage the people of Nigeria? Everywhere is maiming, killing, all manner of atrocities that takes people's life. I want to ask the government of Cameroon, who is Paul Biya? Paul Biya, I thought you have sense. And the president of Nigeria. I know this insurgency and the killing started right from Muhammadu Buhari. But I want to ask, now you are the man we are holding accountable. Ahmed Tinubu, why do you close your eyes to the things that are happening in Nigeria? I want to ask you, this is the question God said I should ask you. Why did you close your eyes and be looking at what is happening in Nigeria to continue happening? Are you a blood-sucking demon? Do you like shedding of blood? Cameroonian President Paul Biya, are you a sucking demon? Even if you are one of the dictators that was trained during the white colonialism, you should have a heart of an African man. How can you stay and be killing your people, destroying lives? What did you see in Ambazonia? I want to ask Paul Biya. Paul Biya, what did you see in Ambazonia? The Lord said I should ask you this tonight. I don't want to know whom you are. I don't care where you belong. Because I believe he who told me to ask you this question, you are not greater than him. Are you a blood-sucking demon? If you're a blood-sucking demon, why not go to your immediate family and suck all their blood than to destroy people of Cameroon? Did you know Ambazonia and Cameroon, they are brothers? And the thing that is causing problem in Ambazonia is something that will be sat on a round table and discuss it once and for all it goes. Watch the video.
That's all. If you want 40, okay then. I'll give you after that sleep so. So I get the short light Augustine, light cut, so my wifi go off. See now, still in that. I generate this thing.
Did you see the trouble? Can you hear it? Very good. I am very happy that you are hearing it. He said if you people don't look into the problem, that you continue seeing people die every day. Many have died since 2017. You keep sending army to go there, and they keep killing the army, and the army keep killing the people. Is it how it's supposed to be? Is it the oil in Ambazonia that you cannot forfeit? Cameroon has what God blessed them with, not the oil that is in Ambazonia. If you leave Ambazonia today, Cameroon will still be Cameroon. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, have you not heard that Biafrans are fighting with Nigeria? You are sending your army. Instead of you sitting round table, you continue sending the uniform officer, the army, to go and finish in the hands of the Biafrans. Every time, 7 army killed, 17 soldiers killed, this one killed, this one killed. Is it how it's supposed to be? I want to ask you, I know you have not been in the army. I would have said you are one of the dictators. Do you like shedding blood? God said I should ask you, do you like shedding blood? But I must tell you people, I must tell you what God said I should tell you people tonight. A time, if you people continue, Paul Biya and the Tinubu, if you people continue in this manner and allow the people, everyone to pick up arms, you are going to run away from Nigeria. And coming back will be a problem. Because even your own people, who are people of Yoruba, the Oduduwa nation is still agitating. You are still dealing with them. What is exactly wrong with Cameroon and Nigeria? I want to ask, what is exactly wrong between Cameroon and Nigeria? And you people are elder statesmen. You people still occupy the power. You said in my own, you say Emiloko, you occupy the power. An old man that is supposed to be an advisor, you occupy the power. You will be 20 years next year. You don't know you're an old man. An old man who is supposed to be in the gap to settle problems are the one fueling the problem. If anybody talk, you start looking for him. You cannot look for me. This is the truth. An elder, they said, an African, they said, an elder doesn't stay in the house and watch a goat deliver in tetas. An elderly person like you, when something happens, you tell the army, you know their head is not correct, to go and fish out the people. They will go and burn people's houses. You know that very well. The army will kill people. And the people will kill army. What you'll be hearing is they kill the soldier, they kill the soldier. What of the people soldiers killed? Why you don't talk about them? Is soldiers' life, are they better than the thousands of lives they kill on a stray bullet? Let me tell you, wherever they are making a medicine for the eye, do not bring pepper near it. We must tell ourselves the truth right now. The way and manner you people are governing these countries is very lugubrious. The high-handedness and the rascality is very high. I don't want to be insultive, but if my word will be an insult to you, let it be an insult. Because I believe from what is happening, you people don't need to be talked to with respect. You have people have sold your respect. How can you be killing people? How can you be terminating lives you did not give? How can? I just want to ask you this question on a low voice. How can? What did the souls that God created in perfect way, how and what have they done to be terminated? God will judge you. God will judge you, Paul Biya, and God will judge you, Tinubu. If you don't today, people that are watching me, mark today's date. You are going to see what will happen if this nonsense, the president of these countries did not stop this nonsense. You will see what will happen. All of you will bend your face in shame if you people survive it. But I'm telling you people what God said I should tell you. If you people allow, Ambazonia and Nigerians to pick up arms, your soldier will not be half of them. It will not be, if they divide them into 20, they will not carry one. Soldiers will not reach one. Among 20, they will not reach one. Then they will catch you and you will bow down in shame. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. If you don't know my name, if you're coming across this channel first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let us call a spade and this nonsense will stop. I refuse to stop crying until things are done right. God bless you.
That's all. If you want 40, AK then. I'll give you after the sleep slow. So I get the short light Augustine, light cut, so my wifi go off. See now, still in that. I general just then. I should end this way around. See now. I general in that.